Hey there, Jeannie here. If you've landed here, it's because you are either a bookkeeper in practice or you're a start-up bookkeeper and you want to build your dream business and life, and you're wondering if we might be able to help you with that. So I'm going to pivot to a Loom video now and screen share and show you how we can help you. Okay, so let's first just start looking at the results that other bookkeepers that I work with are getting, and I'll actually point you towards where you can look at these yourself. So this slide that I'm showing you here, you can see podcast episodes. You can pause this video, take a note of all of these. And on my podcast, we have lots of bookkeepers who have come on. The other page that we're just updating at the moment is our testimonials page. And I've got this software called Senja here. It's really good. And we've got a lot of video testimonials from our clients. The Strategic Bookkeeper only launched about 2.5 years ago. We've quickly become the world's #1 platform for bookkeepers. And so we have just been trying to keep up, and we finally gathered a lot of these testimonials. By the time you watch this video, hopefully they are just all flowing through here, because there are just dozens of them over here in my software. So the kind of results that bookkeepers are getting, I'll just share a couple that will be helpful. Throughout the last 5 days in the Blueprint Path, I've used Linda Hall's example. So she was a startup, and within 1 year, she scaled to that $200,000 income. No technical staff. A lot of that was hers to keep. And another one, Marianne Davies, who's actually published on episode 137. It was very, very recent. Marianne was trying for 20 years. She was booked but broken when she joined us. And if we look at our archetypes here, she was booked but broken, trying for 20 years, right? So within a year of joining us, she had added an extra $140,000 to her take-home pay. She no longer worked evenings or nights. She was traveling, taking time off, spending it with friends and family, and so on. So this means that what the program gives you, it means that the effort and sacrifice and the time delay when you join us in order to build that dream business and life is lower, okay? The effort and sacrifice when you have to do this yourself is higher. And all of this comes with a full money back guarantee plus a bonus offer of a 7-day trial during this promotional period. If you've landed on this page, you probably know a fair bit about me and my transformation program and the Strategic Bookkeeper Network. So I'm just going to quickly mention a few things. When you join us, you will join a network and you will receive the Bookkeeping Practice Blueprint and the 5 big keys very much done for you, and then also done with you. Where it would normally take you 10 years maybe to build out what you need for the blueprint, you'll get instant access day one, particularly this left-hand side, instant access, and then to integrate the network brand with your brand, 14 days. In terms of the 5 big keys, team is a massive one. You're going to get all these things: team, education, all the assets done for you, the implementation, I'll hold your hand every step of the way, and all the support from the entire network. And this breaks down really what's inside. You're getting a bookkeeping practice in a box, $271,500 in value. So just a few more things. When you join the Strategic Bookkeeper Network, you will gain instant recognition and positioning as a valued and respected top-tier professional, and we'll fast track your success so you find you get that success sooner. The next thing I want to connect to is our money back guarantee. The program will pay for itself in a year or your money back, no questions asked. This is an easy guarantee for me to give you because the results come fast, okay? We do see many 6-figure results in a year. We get told the program often pays for itself within weeks. Often also the program is paying for itself week on week because we offer a payment plan. And during this promotional period, you have got the trial that you can take up as well. Now, the bonus offers, so we've got $3,200 worth of bonuses. This first one, it's 2 standalone courses. They both come with a certification that will actually give you a competitive advantage. They come with tools and templates. So with the Be a Brilliant Trainer, really easy to complete. It is audio. I'm a trainer and assessor. I'm training you, and you'll absolutely be able to do better work, better training, get better results with your clients, which is critically important. And what I see with my clients, they can charge 2 to 10 times more. Now, with the catch-up rectification, similar, easy to complete audio course. So you'll learn my personal methodology, okay? Once again, you're going to get better client outcomes, better client satisfaction, and a competitive advantage. And you can charge well in excess of $1,000 for the first phase and so on. The next bonus is Power Up Your Practice with AI. So I'm running a 6-part workshop series. This would normally be $1,200 to purchase. I am going to show you how I use AI and ChatGPT in order to make the brand marketing, selling, and the back-end business administration and so on of your business power up and do more in less time. Practical, real world. We'll be workshopping it together. So these bonuses will go away after the promotional period finishes, which you can see here. So lastly, you're going to plug straight into a done for you and done with you ecosystem to hit the ground running with what took me a decade to build. Okay, now those bonuses that you saw, those high value bonuses, they are only available during the promotional period, and that includes that incredible 7-day trial. So everything that you just saw me show you is available to you the minute you join. You're going to get instant access to 100% of it. We actually call it the keys to the kingdom. And lastly, I do hope that you back yourself and go for it. I would love to see you inside the network.